Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, and all the 5th standard students are welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, let's start with mathematics for standard 5, lesson number 4, multiplication and division. Students, as we have already seen in the previous video, problem set number 14, textbook page number 16, we have completed question number 1, multiply the first one, second one, third one and fourth one. So, in this video, we will continue with the next part of the problem set number 14. Okay students, as you can see, we are going to start with the fifth sum, that is 6092 into 203. Let's start with the calculation. 6092 multiplied by 203. Okay. Now first we are going to start with the units place. This is 0 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. So first of all we are going to start with units place. Unit number is 3. So 3 2s are, 3 9s are, 3 zeros are, 3 6s are. So let's start with 3 2s are. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are becomes 27, right? So 2 you have to carry up and 7 you are going to write it down. Then we are going to do calculation with 3 zeros are 0, but there is 2. So straight away we are going to write 2 down and 3 6 are becomes 18. Now this was 18,276 was of the calculation done for the units place number 3. Now we are going to do the calculation for 0. 0 is in which place? 0 is in the place value of tens. So we are going to add over here 0. Now we are going to do the calculation of 0. 0 2s are 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 zeros are 0 and 0 6s are 0. This is very easy now everyone. Now let's see calculation number 2, which is in the hundreds place. Let's start calculating. 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 zeros are, 2 6s are. Let's start with 2's place. So how many zeros? We have to add 2 zeros. This is units 0. This is tens ka 0. Then 2 2s are becomes 4. 2 9s are becomes 18. So where we have to write 1, 1 has to be carried up, 8 has to be written down. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and 2 6s are becomes 12. We are going to write it over here 12. So this is for units 18,276. This 0 is for tens and this is for hundreds. If you want, I will write it over here U, which is of units. This is for tens and this is for hundreds. Tens may only 1 0, hundreds may 2 zeros. Now let's start adding. Okay, now we will do the addition. 6 plus 0 plus 0. 7 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 7. 2 plus 0 becomes 2. Plus 4 becomes 6. 8 plus 0 becomes 8. Plus 8 becomes 16. So 6 writing down and 1 has to be carried over here. Okay, in the bracket you can write or you can write directly also. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 0 becomes 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Okay. Now there are no addition, no numbers over here. So what we are going to write? We are going to write directly. That is 1 and 2. So the answer will be 12,36,676. Now what is this? This is the final answer of the multiplication. 6092 into 203. What is the answer? The answer is 12,36,676. Right everyone? Now let's start calculating the sixth sum. Now students, we are going to solve the sixth sum. Have a look, what is the sixth sum? So here it is necessary to learn the table of 9. In multiplication it is very necessary to learn the tables of 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. At least 1 to 10 is compulsory. So let's do the calculation. So we are going to write 1177 multiplied by 99. Let's do the calculation everyone. Ready? First we are going to do the calculation of units place, then with the tens place. So let's start with units place, that is 9 sevens are 63. 6 has to carry up and 3. If you are getting confusion with what is this 6, you can even draw a line with a pencil lightly and later on you can erase that. You can rub it off. 6 sevens are becomes 63. 9 sevens are becomes 63. 63 plus 6, that becomes 69. So 6 carried up and 9 writing over here. Then 9 ones are 9 plus 6, that becomes 15. So 1 carried up, 15 writing down. Then 9 ones are 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Easy everyone? Let's see the units place. So what are we going to write in the units place? We are first going to add over here 0. Why this 0? Because this is coming in the tens place. Again we have to erase the carry forwards because we have done the carry forwards. Right everyone? Now we have to do the carry forward of the tens place. 9 sevens are become 63. 6 carried up, rewriting down. 9 sevens are 63 plus 6, that becomes 69. 6 carried up, 9 returned down. 9 ones are 9 plus 6 becomes 15. So 1 carried up, 5 returned down. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, that becomes 10. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do addition, that is plus sign. Now let's see what will be the answer. This was very easy because both the units and the tens numbers were 99. So whatever answers we have written up, the same answer with extra tens, with extra 0, we are going to write it down. So 3 plus 0 becomes 3. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So 1 we are going to write here, 2 we are going to write it down. 9 plus 5 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. 1 has to be carried up, 5 has to return it down. 5 plus 1 becomes 6 and 1 plus 0 becomes 1 and no number is there. So we are directly going to write over here the number 1. So the answer will be 1,16,523. What is the final answer for this calculation? 1,177 into 99. The final answer is 1,16,523. I hope so. You must have understood this calculation also everyone. Yes? Okay. Now let's do. Okay students, let's start. We are going to write 6543. 6,543 multiply cross sign into 79. We are having units and tens, only 2 digits number. So first we are going to calculate with 9 threes are. Draw a light line, later on you can erase it. 9 threes are becomes 27. 4 nines are, it becomes 36. 36 plus 2 becomes 38. 3 carried up, 8 returned down. Then 9 fives are becomes 45. 45 plus 3 becomes 48. 6 nines are, it becomes 54. 54 plus 4 becomes 58. Now this is of the unit side. Now we are going to calculate with the tens side. Okay. Let's see. 7 threes are, it becomes 21. Before that we have to erase this. 7 3s becomes 21. What are we going to do it here? We are going to write 0. Why? Because this is in the tens place. So 7 3s becomes 21. 2 carried up, 1 written down. Then 7 4s it becomes 28. 28 plus 2 becomes 30. 3 carried up, 0 written down. 7 5s becomes 35. 35 plus 3 becomes 38. 3 comes up, 8 comes down. And 7 6 it becomes as 42. 42 plus 3 becomes 45. We are going to do the addition, right everyone? So 7 plus 0 becomes 7, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 8 plus 8 becomes 16. So 1 is carried up, 6 is written over here. 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 10 plus 1 becomes 11, 1 carried up, 1 written down, 11, that is why. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 5,16,897. The final answer is 543 into 79. The answer is 5,16,897. So I hope so students you have understood, and let's continue with the next half part in the next video. Till then, thank you everyone and keep practicing maths.